everybody, this is Bo. It is time to do another van tour. Let me introduce you to, this is a 2022 Mercedes Sprinter. This is a 144 wheelbase. It comes in this time stone gray color, but yeah, this is a stone gray color. It's a V6 model, and let's take a look from the outside. As a normal, you know, with the step 100% step bar aluminum. Okay. Look at the top. Okay, we got all the security light, all the corners, and plus the curved light bar in the front. That's a 42-inch light bar in the front, and plus the standard flatline van cowl roof rack. Okay. On top of the roof also, there's a Maxxair fan. There's a Dematic RTX 2000 12-volt AC unit. So there's two 175 watt solar panel. That's a 350 watts of solar on the top. As far as windows, I did not add any windows on this van. These are all factory on this sliding door, and also on the crew side, and the two rear windows. Out here I added an external outlet here. Well, it's not an outlet, it's the connection. This is for shore power connection. If you want to hook up from shore power into the charger inside, that's where you plug in. For the ladder on this van, I added this flatline van cowl side ladder instead of the back, so it looks so cool in this one. It's very durable, so looks sporty. Take a look at the inside. Okay, this model also comes with a power sliding door, which is a plus. All right, from out here, first you can see our little table on the outside here for our convenience, with the 110 outlet here, the FCI outlet, and plus the USB and C outlet here as well. And then our butcher block countertop. This is 1.5 inch white. These Arcadia countertop, and I sprayed it with clear coat to protect from moisture. This is a convenient and very open layout. Okay, at the entrance here you can find our Dematic CRX 110 refrigerator. This is a 4.3 cubic feet liter 12-volt refrigerator. Easy to access from outside here or from inside. Okay, you can see, very convenient. Then we step up a little bit inside here. Across from it you can find our 1000 watt microwave, and then also there's a drawer underneath here, okay, for our storage, and also another storage here. We put our table. It fits our table and fire extinguisher there. There's a little access right here. You can store whatever you can underneath the sink. Okay. On the top we also have another countertop that matches with this, and our 13 by 15 by 9 inches deep sink. Okay, very cute, stainless steel. Below the counter here we have our switches here. There's a water pump, there's a sink, and the shower, the cabinet light, and the shower light. Another USB-C here, and our small switch here. This is for the gray tank release. Okay, just push a button, it releases the gray tank water with our electric ball valve. As far as our storage, right above the camera here, our overhead storage for bulky stuff. And then about the sink, we have a 30-inch cabinet door, 12 inches high, 13 inches high, and you know, all throughout the back here on both sides, these are 30 inches cabinets for storage, and this is 24 and a 30 inches cabinets door. It comes in gray and beautiful, very durable and very soft and quiet close. Okay, at night you want to convert into a bed, it's very easy. You just need to disconnect this table and store it away. We have the storage for that over there, and then slide one piece to connect and fill up this gap right here, and another piece right here, and this cushion will fill up in the middle and becomes a bed. And this is a 6 feet long bed by 66 inches if you fit to sleep this way. Let's talk about the power on this van. Okay, I already mentioned we have a 350 watt solar panel on the top. There's the three 100 watt battle-borne batteries, and we have a 3000 watt multi-plus Victron Energy 30 amp DC to DC charger by Victron, and also a 30 amp solar charge control as well. And continue to the middle here, we have a 24 by 32 shower, and with the retractable closing retractable door, and our removable clothes hanger here. It comes matching the color with the nickel color, matching with the shower head and also the shower mixer. Okay, so when it's not in use, you can hang your clothes or store whatever in here, and if you need to take a shower, all you have to do is it comes off right easy. You can get into your shower, and this is 6 feet tall, 72 inches tall, so it's very convenient. Our control board here, this is a Victron Energy inverter charger. Okay, and then we have our dimmer switch for the ceiling lights, and also the switches for all the power, the lights on the roof as well. These battle-borne batteries are also has a built-in heater, so if you need to turn on the heat, this is a switch for it right here. When it gets too cold, just turn on the battery heater. It heats up the battery, keeps it nice and warm. So, and also our diesel heater right here, these are what they call Eber Packer. I think that's what they pronounce it, Eber Packer. High altitude building. Back here we have our RTX 2000 Domatic AC unit. I installed it right over the bed area here, so it, you know, if ever needed, it keeps you nice and cool right over the bed. Van has a 33-gallon freshwater tank and 20-gallon gray water tank underneath the van. As far as the storage, beside the overhead storage and all the cabinets over here, we have another huge storage here that you can put your container, or also a storage under this bed here, which is, it's a long storage. You can put camping chairs or whatever the long items, and you can access from either from the back. We're going to go to the back and look at it, and also you can just open the top here. You can access it from the top. You can see our storage all the way to the back. Okay, you can access from here. Guys, coming to the back here, you can see how nice, it's beautiful open layout. This van is a beautiful tailored by my my sister. She did a great job, better and better on sewing these cushions. So again, thank you. And here is our storage. You can see from the back here, all the way to the front. That's a more than 6 feet long storage. And back here, I put a little handle so you can step in here using that in and out easy, or the original handle right here when you step down here. Okay, and all these cushions are all removable. Okay, and then you can access by to the bottom with that as well. There's a shop that can lift both sides and stays up if you need to get into it and service something. Okay, and on this side, our tankless water heater and our external shower connection right here, if you hot and cold water as well, and our water tank gauge in the back here as well. Thank you so much everybody for following me along. If you follow me along this build from the beginning to the end, thank you so much for your support, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and share my video, and don't forget, keep on following me. There's more to come, more good stuff to come. So thank you so much for watching. This is Bo. I'll see you later. Bye.